We'll come to the third option, which is the contrast option. Now the contrasting option will show you remedies, will show you rubrics which contain only one of the remedy in this particular window. So like in a way, you're actually getting the individuality of the remedies. So we'll try and differentiate these three again. Just get the fear word off so you get a broad comparison of these three with the contrast option. Say compare. Now what you're getting is the rubrics which have calc but don't have the other two, or you have calc phos but don't have calc and calc sulf, or which has just calc sulf but doesn't have calc phos and calc. So I'll show you how. So for example, this rubric, anger understood when not, is present only in calc sulf. It doesn't have calc phos and it doesn't have calc carb. We'll try and check. So we go to the mind section in that particular book and see where that rubric comes from. Click on that and there you go, you land on that rubric, anger understood when not, and there you see you have just calc sulf in it, you don't have any other calc salt. So that would be like an individuating factor for that particular remedy. We go back to remedy comparison. So this is a wonderful section to actually give you a differentiation of two or more apparently similar remedies from the same group. And you can also use a rubric filter again and differentiate. Say I want to differentiate the cough of all these calcareas. So just say cough and say compare, still using the contrasting, and look at that. You have all these coughs for calc carb, and then this is a calc phos symptom, so we'll come to calc phos. There you go. Throat pain, sore, bruised, coughing, aggravate is present only in calc phos. It's not present in calc sulf and calc. So definitely remedies which are well proven dominate the screen, but you can still find the differences of the subtle differences in those less well proven remedies, and you can actually find an individualizing factor in that. So look at that, you have calc phos here. I've jumped to the repertory browser and clicking on the rubric, or clicking on the book. We come back to the remedy comparison and there you have. Now the last feature, or the last option, is the unique. Now the unique is extracting the unique PQRS rubrics of the remedies in the comparison section. So what it does, it displays only the unique rubrics of these selected remedies. So for example, I'll get the word filter off and I say select unique and select compare. So what it's got here are the unique symptoms of calc, which means that this particular rubric will have only calc and no other remedy in the entire repertory data. So it's an exclusive remedy rubric found only in that remedy. So we'll go and check. Mind absent-mindedness, afternoon nausea after. Click on the book and there you have one remedy, and that's it, just calc. So what it does give you is the reverse mathematica of the most unique, the most peculiar, and the most rare symptom of the selected remedy. So you can remove two remedies, for example, and just concentrate on calc phos and say I just want the unique symptoms of only calc phos, and say compare. And there you go, these are just the symptoms which are present only in calc phos in your entire repertory database. How good is that? You can actually try and individualize calc phos and understand the basic code symptomatology of this particular remedy, which is very different to any other remedy in your Mathematica. So that's the basic remedy comparison. As with any other section, you have rubrics here. If you want to repertorize something, double click on that and you can enter it into your repertorization sheet. So when you see a rubric anywhere in your HomeoQuest sections, you double click on a rubric, you enter it in your repertorization table, you you find a book, you click on that and you jump on into that book on that chapter and find that rubric. You see a remedy, you click on a remedy and you actually go into the Mathemedica browser and you can have a look at that remedy, find the books which it comes from, click on books and read that particular remedy. So there is amazing fluidity in the way you can access and jump from one section to the other and link between sections and get the most out of this program and make very quick prescriptions for your patient. So that's about the basic remedy comparison. We'll talk about the advanced option in another tutorial. But thank you so much and I look forward to hear from you.